Stop accepting knee pain as a normal part of aging. What if 2 dates a day could rebuild your thinning cartilage? Scientific studies suggest these fruits can actually reverse bone loss. They trigger the cells needed to restore joint fluidity and strength. Don't let stiff joints hold you back after 50. Today, we reveal the cellular secret to reclaiming your mobility. Many women over 50 feel their joints getting stiffer every morning. This happens because hormonal shifts cause cartilage to thin out. Your bones lose the mineral density that once kept them strong. Traditional calcium supplements often fail to reach the joint matrix. This creates a bone-in-bone feeling that limits your movement. But there is a biological scaffolding your body needs to stay mobile. The secret lies in a trace mineral called boron. Dates are one of the richest natural sources of boron on the planet. Research published in the Journal of Trace Elements in Medicine highlights its power. Boron acts like a catalyst for collagen cross-linking in your cartilage. It helps your body use vitamin D and magnesium more effectively. Without enough boron, your bones cannot hold on to the calcium they need. Think of boron as the glue that holds your skeletal frame together. By eating dates, you provide the raw materials for cellular repair. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe to Wellness Path Podcast now. Joining our community helps you stay updated on natural ways to heal. This isn't just about nutrition, it's about structural integrity. Along with dates, adding leafy greens like spinach provides essential vitamin K. Vitamin K works with boron to guide calcium directly into your bones. Light weight-bearing exercises like walking also signal your body to build more bone. Together, these habits start the process of rebuilding what time has taken away. You are not just aging, you are regenerating your foundation. To fix your knees, you must activate your body's builder cells. These specialized cells are called bone-building cells. They are responsible for laying down new bone tissue. Eating just 2 dates daily can trigger this vital repair process. Dates contain a perfect balance of potassium and magnesium. This specific ratio prevents calcium from leaching out of your system. According to experts at Harvard Health, magnesium is crucial for bone structure. When you eat dates, you create a steady flow of bone-building nutrients. But timing is just as important as the food itself. The best time to eat your dates is during the morning hours. This aligns with your body's natural circadian rhythm for bone remodeling. Your body is most active at repairing tissues during the early part of the day. To boost absorption, pair your dates with a few walnuts or almonds. Healthy fats help your body soak up the phytonutrients more efficiently. If you are worried about blood sugar, choose the fiber-rich medjool variety. High fiber slows down sugar release while feeding your joints. Don't forget to include orange vegetables like carrots or sweet potatoes in your diet. Their vitamin A content supports the growth of healthy cartilage cells. Also, try simple daily stretches to keep your joint fluid moving. Movement acts like a pump, pushing nutrients deep into the cartilage. You are giving your body the exact tools it needs to stay resilient. Each bite is a step toward stronger, more flexible knees. This daily ritual builds a foundation that lasts for years to come. Rebuilding your body takes patience and consistency. Most women notice a difference in joint fluidity within 6 to 8 weeks. First, the morning stiffness begins to fade away. Next, you may feel less grinding during daily walks. This is the sign that your cartilage is becoming more resilient. But dates are just one piece of your health puzzle. Add berries like blueberries to your diet for their high antioxidants. Protect your new cartilage from inflammation. Cruciferous vegetables like broccoli also support bone mineral density. If you need extra support, consider a high-quality collagen supplement. Always consult your doctor before starting any new supplement. Remember, your movement is your greatest medicine. Low-impact exercises like swimming or cycling are excellent for knee health. These activities strengthen the muscles around your joints without stress. As your skeletal frame grows stronger, your confidence will return. You are no longer defined by your physical limitations. Imagine walking through the park without a second thought about pain. That independence is exactly what this protocol is designed to give you. Your health is a journey of small, daily choices. Choosing 2 dates today is a commitment to your future self. You deserve to move with grace and power at every age. Thank you for joining us on the Wellness Path Podcast. Stay consistent, stay active, and keep nourishing your body naturally. We look forward to seeing your transformation. Stay healthy, and we will see you in the next video.